don't like the outcomes of their judgment, which is a judicial system of this country, let's agree to disagree then. To say an unjust law is no law at all, because it is only good when it serves the colonial master. When it is now favoring the slave, we must then reset everything or undo everything. Unfortunately, when you undo, which means you return back everything from where it was, and unfortunately, before 1913, things were with the kings. Let's return that. If you say, no, it's illegal, I have just presented you a legal case to that. Now, I'm waiting to see who else has a dissenting voice to what I'm saying. But watch out, if you have resistance to that, you are just telling us this judicial system must be undone and removed and do what we call restorative justice. And what is restorative justice? It is where you return the legal instrument of old, of the natives of the land. May I unpack a little bit of that? The law that must rule in South Africa, it is the native land's rule. Not by virtue of it saying Roman, Dutch, British. No. In law, we have what we call a law of jurisdiction. Now, what jurisdiction are we on? That is South Africa. Now, what law are you applying? Foreign law in a foreign land that is null and void, according to law. So it's not applicable what we're doing. It's wrong, if I can put it blunt. But because we think we don't understand the law, then we will accept everything. So which means, let's settle the matter that the law we are using, yes, it is right in Rome. In Britain, yes, it is right. Yes, in Dutch, it is right. But it has just been wrong here. Why? Here is the landlord. Where is his law that he was using? Surely it is not this one. Why are you hiding it? If you say you don't know which law we were using, let's remind you, my predecessor, King Tingswayo, untutored, he never traveled. He ruled KwaZulu-Natal. And he's the one who groomed King Shaka. He's the one who installed him in 1816. And in 1824, Sir Henry Finn Farewell came to King Shaka's palace for the first time asking for shelter and to submit under King Shaka's rule. You know why they did that? Go read a book called The Olden Times in Zululand and Natal by A.T. Bryan, published in 1929.